From News 5, here's your Power of 5 weather and today's top stories. Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.
Now here's a look at today's top stories. We won't know the governor's plans for reopening the state until Monday, but some local health experts have thoughts on the matter. Right now, Ohio is looking to start reopening businesses on May 1st, with the governor calling this a complicated process. But health experts think the number of new cases in Ohio should be in decline for at least 2 weeks before reopening the state. And they're calling for the May 1st reopening date to be pushed back. Some health experts are also calling for strict mask requirements for employees and customers who can't keep a constant social distance. The reopening is going to impact people in very different ways. It might bring on the feeling of fear or confusion. A psychologist at University Hospitals tells us we're not going back to our normal routine. So she recommends people being on guard. And I don't mean defensively, but when in public, watch for good hygiene. Continue to wash your hands often and don't put yourself in dangerous situations. Try to keep a level head and communicate with your loved ones, your job, and also others as much as possible. This will help boost confidence as we start to emerge into the community. The Rustic Grill at Stonewater is delivering meals to Hillcrest Hospital, feeding frontline workers who are fighting this pandemic firsthand. The three sisters who run the grill say they wanted to give back. So for every 10 meals donated, the grill will donate another 5. After an outpouring of support, they're ready to donate 500 meals. You can find out how to donate and also check out all of the other businesses who are still serving customers through this pandemic by checking out news5cleveland.com/open. University Hospitals offering workers technology to let them know the moment they have a fever. It's a patch that almost looks like a Band-Aid. It's called TempTrack. It's been used at University Hospital's Cancer Center for years on patients. That way, doctors know the moment their temp spikes. Before, they would get their temperature taken every 4 to 8 hours. But with TempTrack, healthcare workers could start that patient on life-saving treatment much faster. Workers who directly treat COVID-19 patients will wear the patches, along with any other UH worker who wants to opt in.
Oh, we made it to Friday, and it looks like we get a break from the crazy weather, at least briefly. It will be quiet out there today. You'll notice the clouds thinning out through the afternoon, but if you live close to the lakeshore, temperatures will be cooler out there today in the low 50s, but a little bit farther inland, we're heating things up nicely. Low 60s this afternoon down around Akron and Canton, and dipping to the 30s tonight. We will all have to deal with the widespread rain for Saturday. It will be quite soggy. Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, this rain associated with another storm system that rolls in over the weekend. That rain will linger and likely get heavier for Sunday morning, so watch out for any minor flooding that may develop. Cooler on Sunday as well. More rain on the way next week. Typical spring pattern moving our way.
For the latest news and weather, go to news5cleveland.com or open the News 5 app. Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.